Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nikhil Oberai and I want to speak to you about a level 1 program to get you started on restoring dental implants. How we're going to do this is we're going to take you through a journey that's going to be very structured into 3 modules. Module 1 is going to talk to you about how to understand the basic principles of dental implants, talk about how we do the anatomy of dental implants, talk you through all the principles that we use for restoring dental implants. It's so important that we understand this before we dive into restoring dental implants so that we can mitigate any issues that may happen in the future. We then have a contact day after that. We will all meet and make sure that we understand everything. So the level 1 program is divided into 3 modules. That's module 1. We then have another module called module 2. Now the module 2 is learning the implant restorative techniques. So we talk about things like the occlusion, we talk about the prosthetic options and the option of how to take impressions as well, and understanding the pitfalls that we find with impressions as well. We will then have another contact day where you come in and we will go through these things in detail. We then have a module 3. Now module 3 is very interesting. How I've developed the module 3 is I'm going to be talking to you about various things, such as we're going to talk about how to market your dental implants. How do you get more people through the door to accept your treatments for restoring dental implants as well? Also things like how do you get your patients to accept treatments for grafting procedures. So we're going to have a marketing module on this. We're also going to talk about failing implants. I think it's so important to understand how to maintain your dental implants. I find that nowadays in dental practices, we see a lot of patients who have existing implants, and it's so pivotal for us to understand the maintenance protocols around these. So I'm going to have guest speakers going to come on and they're going to be speaking to you about how they maintain their dental implants as they are experts within that field. We're then going to have a contact day where we're all going to meet and we're going to make sure that we all understand those principles. So that's my level 1 program where we're going to teach you how to restore dental implants, carry out procedures such as grafting, and talk in detail about how to maintain dental implants. I look forward to working with you.